Hello to everyone. Here is the biography of Ratan Tata. Ratan Naval Tata is an iconic Indian industrialist, philanthropist, and former chairman of Tata Sons, the holding company of the Tata Group, one of India's largest and oldest conglomerates. Known for his visionary leadership, humility, and commitment to social causes, Ratan Tata transformed the Tata Group into a global brand. Here's a look at his life, struggles, and contributions. Early life and education. Ratan Tata was born on December 28, 1937, in Mumbai, India, into the prominent Tata family. His father, Naval Tata, was an adopted son of Sir Ratan Tata, a key figure in the Tata family. Ratan Tata's parents divorced when he was 10 years old, and he was raised by his grandmother, Lady Navajbai Tata. This challenging period instilled in him a sense of resilience and independence early in life. Tata completed his schooling in Mumbai and then attended the Cathedral and John Connon School. He later went to the United States, where he graduated with a degree in architecture and structural engineering from Cornell University in 1962. He then completed the advanced management program at Harvard Business School in 1975. Career at Tata Group. Ratan Tata began his career with the Tata Group in 1962, starting as a worker on the shop floor of Tata Steel in Jamshedpur. Despite his privileged background, he worked alongside laborers, learning the business from the ground up. This hands-on experience helped him gain a deep understanding of the Tata Group's values, culture, and operations. In 1991, after the retirement of J.R.D. Tata, Ratan Tata became the chairman of Tata Sons. At that time, the Tata Group consisted of numerous independent entities with little synergy. Ratan Tata restructured the conglomerate, streamlining and modernizing it, which helped increase its profitability and global reach. Under his leadership, Tata Group expanded into international markets, making significant acquisitions, including Tata Tea acquiring Tetley in 2000, Tata Motors acquiring Jaguar Land Rover in 2008, Tata Steel acquiring Astra's Chorus Group in 2007. These acquisitions transformed Tata Group into a global powerhouse, bringing in significant revenue and establishing the brand on an international scale. Key contributions and innovations. Ratan Tata's tenure as chairman was marked by significant contributions and innovations, including 1. Tata Nano. One of his most ambitious projects was the launch of the Tata Nano, the world's most affordable car, aimed at providing safe and affordable transportation to Indian families. While the Nano faced challenges, it demonstrated Tata's commitment to innovation and social welfare. 2. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. Tata played a key role in transforming TCS into one of the world's leading IT services companies. Today, TCS is among the top global IT service providers and a major contributor to Tata Group's success. 3. Corporate Social Responsibility. Ratan Tata upheld the Tata Group's tradition of giving back to society. A significant portion of the Tata Group's profits goes to charitable trusts that support education, healthcare, and rural development. Tata's philanthropic efforts have positively impacted millions of lives across India. 4. Employee welfare and ethics. Known for his commitment to ethical business practices, Ratan Tata maintained a strong focus on employee welfare, integrity, and transparency in business operations. Retirement and philanthropy. Ratan Tata stepped down as chairman of Tata Sons in 2012, passing the baton to Cyrus Mistry, though he temporarily returned to the position in 2016. After his official retirement, he continued to serve as chairman emeritus of Tata Sons and devoted himself to various philanthropic endeavors. He has also invested in several startups, including Ola, Snapdeal, and Paytm, supporting the growth of young entrepreneurs and the Indian startup ecosystem. His focus on philanthropy includes contributions to healthcare, education, rural development, and support for innovative research in various fields. Awards and recognitions. Ratan Tata has received numerous awards and recognitions, including Padma Bhushan 2000 and Padma Vibhushan 2008, two of India's highest civilian awards. Honorary doctorates from several prestigious institutions worldwide. Global recognitions for his contributions to business and philanthropy, including awards from institutions like Carnegie Endowment for International Peace. Legacy. Ratan Tata is celebrated for his humility, integrity, and leadership. His emphasis on ethical practices, corporate responsibility, and innovation has left an indelible mark on the Tata Group and Indian industry. Tata's legacy goes beyond business. He is admired for his philanthropy, his dedication to social causes, and his efforts to improve lives across India. Even after stepping down from active leadership, Ratan Tata remains an influential figure and an inspiration to millions, exemplifying a commitment to both business excellence and social responsibility. Ratan Tata, one of India's iconic business leaders and former chairman of the Tata Group, passed away on Wednesday, October 9, 2024, at the age of 86. Thank you for watching. For more video like this, watch my YouTube channel.